Good morning. Oh, I'm standing down here at the Clermont Golf and RV Club, and if I turn the camera this way, that right there is the pro shop. Okay, so the golf course is right here, and here's the shed where they keep the carts. What I want to do is I want to show y'all just how far we are away from there. So let me turn this camera around. Okay, once again, the pro shop, the carts. And this is the barn where they store. As you can see, Clermont. As I come over here, there's the golf range, the driving range. And you can see we got somebody coming out there to hit some balls. So, if I walk back to Holly, you can see just how long it takes. And I'm not walking briskly, I'm just walking. So, by the way, it's a gorgeous day. It's a little cool. It's in the low 60s right now, but boy, we got a beautiful bright sun. The skies are clear. A very slight breeze. So, as you can see here, that we do have some permanent homes here. And then we mix in campers and motorhomes in this section. We're on site 51, which to me is an absolutely perfect site. So I'm looking down, I've been walking just a minute and a half, and here's Holly. So, as you can see, it did not take long, so I think we've got a great site. We're at the RV thing at the Sun and Funds Resort, and we're all set up. There's a little view of our setup here. Campground's nothing special, but hello. We got some neighbors over here. So, hope you don't mind being on YouTube.
No.
Okay. We, yeah, we had a good drive in. It was fairly easy getting here. Directions could have been better to the place, but that's okay. We found it, and we got all checked in, and we're ready to go for tonight. Patti and I are just going to take a walk around here at the campground, and I'll shoot some video from so you can see what this is like. Okay. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Where are we, babe?
We are at the Florida Aerospace Discovery
Florida Air Museum.
Museum.
That's the easy way to say it. The Florida Air Museum. We're at the RV thing down here at the Sun and Fun campground in Lakeland, Florida. And they've got a seminar going on right now about upgrading your RV with solar power and stuff. And as much as I'm interested in solar power, I don't think it pertains to us because we do not do a lot of boondocking. And the 4 battery setup I have in Holly that came with her seems to be very adequate for boondocking. If we have to spend 2 or 3 nights boondocking, we can always run a generator. So I really don't see any big issue with that. So we thought we'd take the time and come over here and check out the Air Museum. And we're standing next to a building that says the Central Florida Aerospace Academy. So who knows, maybe when we get out of here, we're going to go out of here as astronauts, babe. Maybe. So, but we're going to get you a little video on the inside before we head back over to the RV thing. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Bye.
What do you think? Are you ready for takeoff?
Ready for takeoff. Can't see anything.
Well, the first thing you'll notice is she didn't put on her seatbelt, so she's pretty confident. Actually, I don't think there is one in there, is there?
No seatbelt. Didn't use seatbelts back then.
And you really can't see anything. And we'll hold this up for her point, from her point of view. You got this control panel that is all in the way and no way to see anything.
No, can't see anything. So I'm not sure you'd go far with this.
So, are you ready? Well, you've already accomplished something that I have never done. I've never been in a flight simulator, and you have.
Maybe. I didn't take a minute.
They challenge you here, folks. Which coins roll faster? Dime, penny, nickel, or quarter? And I'd have to say the smaller diameter, the faster it goes. So I'm going to say a dime.
You're going to say a dime?
Yep.
And here's a penny.
Well, you can't just toss it in.
Where do you go?
You got to put it in the...
Oh, in here?
Yeah, you're supposed to put 2 in, one on each side to see which one goes.
Oh, okay.
You don't have a dime?
I don't know. Hold on.
We'll see what comes out of the magic purse.
I got 2 pennies. Here's a dime.
Okay, so put a dime, hold a dime here, and a penny here. So dime, penny, and we'll have a race. You want me to hold your purse and that? Okay. Hang on. Okay, I'm ready whenever you are. And they're off.
Penny went first.
The penny went first. Wow.
Very close, though.
It was very close. Which side is the quarter going on? To your left hand, right there. Okay, and the dime. And whenever you're ready.
What went? I'm not sure.
I can't tell.
I think the dime did.
I'm not sure. I think this is rigged so that you keep putting money in to try to see which one gets there first.
I think it was the dime.
You think?
I think so.
Okay. So
I'm not sure.
I can't tell.
I think the dime did.
I'm not sure. I think this is rigged so that you keep putting money in to try to see which one gets there first.
I think it was the dime.
You think?
I think so.
Okay, so we're going to call it the dime as a winner. There you have it, folks. This is a replica of the Wright Flyer, 1903. And that is really impressive. That's the birth of flight. Right there. Very impressive. What the heck, folks? Standing on its tail. This is the XFV1, the Salmon, built by Lockheed in the early 1950s to demonstrate the operation of vertical takeoff. Wow.
Is it where Lockheed Martin comes into play?
Yes,
The
yeah.
arrow?
Yep.
This would really get into this.
Yeah. If that doesn't impress you, there's something wrong. This is just amazing. And folks, this is a Navy aircraft. Not my beloved United States Air Force, but Navy. This is the service that my dad was in. Wow. Impressive. Folks, I'm going to leave you with this. This jet is one of the Thunderbird jets for the Air Force. This is the ultimate flying team in the world. I'm very proud to have served with these guys. So, if you have a chance to go to an air show and see the Thunderbirds fly, do it because it is worth every minute that you're there. God bless us all. Yeah, we decided to take a little road trip, and I don't know about her. But anyways, we left the Sun and Fun Resort and we came into Lakeland. And we tried doing a shopping mall. That was interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We did find one that was like a consignment shop or secondhand shop, or
I'm not sure what it was.
I'm not sure either, but
It was like a walking in our attic.
But
Some new stuff, some old.
But anyways, there's a botanical garden over here that we talked about coming to. And when I punched it up on GPS, it said it was closed today. So we decided to do something else. So we're just out hanging out. And we ended up here at Mirror Lake, right next to the botanical garden. And this place is very beautiful. And I do mean very beautiful. And I'll turn the camera on and show you here. Because we're just out just enjoying this beautiful Florida weather. It's like, what, 83, 84 degrees.
Yeah.
Slightly humid, but nothing.
Oh, I don't think it's humid.
I think it's slightly humid.
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't think it's humid.
This is a popular exercise area by the
Yeah.
looks of things. We have some people that are going to be walking by here.
Yeah.
But we'll turn the camera on for our viewers to see this.
Probably goes all the way around.
It probably does. Hello. And so we'll show you around here in just a second. Lots of lily pads.
No lilies.
Oh, here at Mirror Lake, you can see, I've zoomed in just a little bit so you can see some detail. And it's just a beautiful area. That's the Mirror Lake Theater up there, and we were kind of hoping to check out some things, but it doesn't look like there's going to be anything there. So, lily pads every place, and I mean every place. This is a bass fisherman's dream area. So, but anyways, I've got some people coming that I don't want to put on camera, even because I don't have their permission. As soon as they walk by, then we'll walk down this way just a little bit.
See, those lily pads are like sticking up.
Yep. And there's something in there that's not right. It's like a snake or something. In the pads, down just below the surface. You can see it. It's grayish blue. Yeah.
Yeah.
She can't see it.
I see it. Right here.
Right there.
It's
I'm not sure what it is. I don't know. Anyways, Hollis Gardens Botanical Park is right here. And it's closed on Mondays. We didn't know that. But that's okay. We'll come back tomorrow.